My respected brothers and sisters in Islam, today's topic is not just a geopolitical question. Why is Israel targeting Pakistan next? Shocking revelation. It is a matter that touches the heart of the Ummah, the strength of faith, the importance of truth, and the understanding of how the world perceives the last ideological fortress, Pakistan. Imagine this, my dear brothers and sisters. What if I told you that the real fear is not in what Pakistan has done, but in what Pakistan stands for asterisk? That's correct. Let me repeat. The real threat is not the physical action. It is the ideological foundation . And among the more than 50 Muslim majority countries in the world, only one nation holds a nuclear arsenal and that is Pakistan . Now think about this logically. If you are strategizing control, if you want to suppress an entire population ideologically and militarily, where would you aim first? You would naturally try to neutralize the strongest player . This is not opinion, this is basic strategy. And Pakistan is not strong because of mere weapons. It is strong because those weapons are in the hands of a people who were born from the **, Kalima la ilaha illallah Muhammad your Rasulullah **. And let me ask a question to those who fear this truth. Has Pakistan ever used that nuclear power aggressively? No. Has it threatened global peace? No. But still there is suspicion, there is propaganda, there is targeting. Why? Because the ** very existence of a Muslim nation with nuclear capability ** breaks the narrative that Islam is weak, that Muslims are backward, that we cannot rise. They fear Pakistan not because of its missiles, but because it might one day be led by a generation that is ** fearless, faithful, and firm ** upon the Quran and the Sunnah. A generation that says * inna ma'al usri yusra, verily with hardship comes ease. * that is the Pakistan they fear. And that is why I say the bomb is not the threat. ***, the belief behind the bomb is ***, let me begin with a question, my dear brothers and sisters. ***, in a world where silence is bought, where truth is compromised, and where many leaders walk on tightrope of diplomacy, why is Pakistan still standing firm with Palestine? Why does it remain one of the few nations that, despite pressure, does not recognize Israel? Why is this such a threat? It is not just about borders or political alliances. It is about ** moral positioning ***. It is about ** standing with the oppressed ** even when the world turns away. When a country like Pakistan declares clearly and consistently that it supports the Palestinians not just in words, but in identity, in history, and in principle, it exposes the ** double standards ** of the so-called civilized world. It reminds people that ** truth still exists ** that ** dignity is not for sale ***, and that ** some nations still choose principles over politics ***. This is what makes Pakistan dangerous, not militarily, but ** morally ***. Because truth, when spoken boldly, becomes ** more powerful than 1,000 weapons ***. And let me remind you of the hadith of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. ***, the best form of jihad is a word of truth in front of a tyrant ruler. ***, when Pakistan speaks for Palestine, it does exactly that. It says, we will not bow to oppression. And those who support falsehood, they cannot allow such truth to shine. Because light exposes darkness, they fear not just what Pakistan says. They fear that other nations may start listening, that people may start questioning, that truth may become contagious. So understand, this targeting is not accidental. It is deliberate because a voice that refuses to be silenced becomes a weapon more dangerous than any army. Let me ask you, my dear brothers and sisters, when does a system of falsehood begin to panic? Not when the elders resist, not when the politicians speak, but when the youth begin to awaken when the next generation opens its eyes, not just in protest, but in purpose. And today, what is happening in Pakistan is not just political unrest or economic struggle. There is a spiritual stirring in the youth. Across universities, in villages, in digital spaces, Pakistani youth are beginning to question not just the world, but themselves. They are no longer satisfied with identity given by media or culture. They are returning to the Quran ***. They are studying the Sirah ***. And they are asking what does Allah want from me? What did the Prophet DFA expect of his Ummah? And when youth begin to ask these questions, change becomes inevitable ***. You must understand, this is where the real fear lies, because the enemies of Islam have always focused on the minds of the youth. If they can distract them with entertainment, confuse them with ideology, paralyze them with fear, they win. But when young Muslims start waking up with clarity, discipline, and knowledge, falsehood starts to shake. And Pakistan today is seeing this shift. More hijabs, more Quran classes, more youth standing for Palestine, for justice, for truth. This is not ordinary. This is the beginning of a revival The fear is not in protests. The fear is in the quiet determination of a young person who studies Islam at Fajr while the world sleeps. Because that youth, when trained, becomes the soldier not of war, but of wisdom, of faith, and of unshakable belief And that, my brothers and sisters, is a future the world is not ready to face. Have you ever wondered, my dear brothers and sisters, why certain narratives dominate the global media, and why others are silenced, ignored, or manipulated? It is not because of lack of truth, but because of control of the lens In today's age, the battlefield is not just land and weapons, it is screens, headlines, and perceptions And unfortunately, many are not fighting this war with awareness. Why does the media consistently portray Pakistan as unstable, extreme, or unreliable? Why is every internal issue magnified, every success silenced? Because media today is not just reporting, it is engineering consent shaping opinions and preparing the global psyche to accept aggression as protection and oppression as peacekeeping. Let me give you an example. When a building is to be demolished, they don't just destroy it suddenly. They put up warning signs, restrict access, and create fear around it. That is exactly what is happening with Pakistan's global image. They are preparing the world to accept intervention by painting Pakistan as dangerous, irrational, or radical. But here is the truth. Pakistan is not perfect, but it is not what the world is being told And this distortion is a psychological war. And those who do not understand this war become victims of it. That is why Allah commands us in the Quran in Surah Al-Hujurat 49, 6 asterisk, if a wicked person comes to you with news, verify it, lest you harm people in ignorance. Asterisk, so do not believe everything. You see, always ask who benefits from this portrayal, who profits from this fear, and more importantly, asterisk, who loses if Pakistan is seen as honorable, capable, and stable. Asterisk, the answer to that question will reveal the deeper agenda behind every false headline. Asterisk, let me ask you something very simple yet very profound. My dear brothers and sisters, can a nation that was born in the name of Islam ever be treated as ordinary? Asterisk, the very foundation of Pakistan is not political theory. It is not nationalism. It is not economics. It is asterisk, la ilaha illallah asterisk. That is what sets it apart, and that is precisely what makes it a target. Unlike many countries created through colonial negotiations or geographical reshuffling, Pakistan was formed with a vision that Muslims should live under a system where asterisk, Islam is not just practiced, but governs asterisk, where the Quran is not just recited, but implemented. This is not a claim of superiority. This is a asterisk, responsibility asterisk, a asterisk, mission asterisk, and an asterisk, ideological threat asterisk, to those who want to keep religion locked in the masjid. You must understand this is not just a struggle over land. This is a asterisk, war of ideologies asterisk. The secular world cannot tolerate a system that challenges its moral emptiness. When a country stands up and says, asterisk, we will not compromise our faith for your aid. We will not sell our values for your approval, asterisk, that country becomes a threat, not because it's dangerous, but because it asterisk, sets a dangerous example asterisk, for others who may follow. They fear the idea that Pakistan may one day fulfill the dream it was born with, to become a model of Islamic governance, economic justice, and social purity. And if that happens, then what excuse will other Muslim nations have for their silence and submission? This is not fear of Pakistan's past. It is fear of its asterisk, future asterisk. And if that future is built upon the foundation it was born with, then the very structure of falsehood around the world will begin to tremble. Asterisk, what if I told you, my dear brothers and sisters, that Pakistan is not being targeted for what it is today, but for what it has the potential asterisk, to become tomorrow. Asterisk, this fear is not of the present condition. This is fear of the future possibility. And that possibility is the asterisk, revival of the Muslim Ummah asterisk, led by a nation that was born not through colonization, but through asterisk, kalima and conviction asterisk. If we examine history, we find that no force fears a divided enemy, but if that enemy starts to unite, not just geographically, but ideologically, the threat becomes real. Why did they fear Salahud in Ayyubi? Why did they fear the Ottomans? Because they unified the scattered. They awakened those who were asleep. And Pakistan today has the potential to be asterisk, that spark asterisk, to reignite unity, identity, and honor in the Ummah. The Zionist regime and its allies understand this well. They do not only see a country of 240 million people. They see a asterisk, sleeping lion asterisk, one that, if it awakens, could bring together minds, hearts, and borders of the Muslim world. And unity, brothers and sisters, is not a fantasy. It is a asterisk, forgotten sunnah asterisk. And once the Ummah remembers who they are, the world cannot treat them as forgotten. So what do? They destabilize, they isolate, they sow seeds of internal division. They make Pakistan look unstable, weak and fractured, because they fear what happens if the Muslims unite under one voice, one vision, and one value system. This is not about missiles. This is about the fear that Pakistan may remind the Ummah who they really are. And once the Ummah remembers, then falsehood, no matter how powerful, will begin to collapse.